chain. I gotta ask Hello Kitty what she wants.
We're good now.
And Hello Kitty wants cotton candy and a candy heart with a happy face.
But in order.
How many?
4.
Okay, so I have to give it $1. One fell in here. I'll get you a quarter. Now I see what I want to get. Ooh, it's pretty in there. Look at all the heart stickers. And butterflies are fine. Ooh! Look, it has a happy face. And it's a squishy heart. Squish.
Cool.
Squish. And fun fact, did you know that candy hearts can live up to over 5,000 years and still be fresh?
Really? Candy hearts?
Yeah.
Wow.
I heard it from a Who and magazine.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And cotton candy, they go gone really fast because it's too delicious and then you eat it.
No.
And here you go, Hello Kitty.
Well, I like your cafeteria vending machine. Very cool.
Let's do that again. Okay, so here's the food and the other food. Okay, I'm gonna move up the line now.
Oh, moving up the line. Oh, that's a good idea.
I think Johnny's gonna wait for the sloths. Earlier they were at the end of the line, and now they're almost at the front.
Wow, quite the line.
It's
Your vending machine's really popular.
Yeah. Hello Kitties, sloths, mermaids,
I'm a
and
vending
dolphins.
machine.
You're a vending machine? I like your vending machine, Johnny.
And I can also get out of it.
Yeah, it's a door, but okay. So I have to turn this on. So on.
Oh, nice.
And look at the mouth.
What do you want?
Hello Kitty head. What do you want? Oh, she said she wants the fish and chips. She wants 3.
That is 3/4.
What about
If you give a quarter extra, you can get a large.
a large? Okay. Hello Kitty. Wait, so 3 large?
No, 1 large.
Okay, 1 large. The others are medium, right? Okay, so oh man, I'm almost out of money. Well, can I fit a quarter back?
Always changing.
I'm checking if there's money in the floor. I found this thing. It doesn't look like money.
Oh, that's good service.
Yay! I got 2 quarters.
Nice.
And what they say, good service makes good money.
Yeah, and Hello Kitty's eating. Oh, can I
Good
have one, Hello
service.
Kitty?
Good
Thank you.
service,
Nom, nom,
good
nom,
money.
nom, nom, nom.
That's a new thing I'm just inventing.
Mm.
Okay, so here's your food back. This time I'm gonna go it through the chain.